Hello everybody, real quick before the video starts, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn that notification bell on because it really helps me out and it gets you guys to see my videos every Monday and every Thursday. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so today we're going to be reviewing the HyperX Quadcast. This beautiful piece of equipment here by HyperX is $140 on Amazon and on their website, I believe. I'm going to go ahead and put the link down in the description below if you guys want to check it out. It is wonderful. I've been using this for a couple months now, and it's by far the best microphone that I've ever owned. Yes, it's pretty expensive, but the red LED lights when you turn it on and turn it off is great. The gain control knob is really cool, but the only thing I didn't like about it is that it goes farther than the dots that are on the bottom. So I like to keep it on the one dot for game chat and on the third dot for my reviews, just to get that extra bass and volume. I also like to mention that if you tap the top here, it actually mutes the mic. So if you have any stream slip-ups or you just don't want anyone to hear what's going on in the background, you can go ahead and click that and it's instant, which is very amazing. Red means it's on, nothing means it's off. It also has this nice chassis here that goes ahead and limits the reverb, which is really nice. It also has this adjustable knob here so you can go ahead and adjust it. I'd like to mention that in the box does come with a mount so you can put it on a shock arm or something like that. It does come with that attachment, so if you buy a shock arm you can put it on. It also has these 4 different polar patterns. I'll go ahead and explain what those are at the end here, but I'm going to explain a little bit quickly here. So you got the bidirectional, and then you got the cardioid here, then you got the omnidirectional, which is all the way around, and then after that you have the stereo, which is pretty much you can't hear from the back, but you can hear all the other different angles. So yeah, so the next thing I want to show you guys here is that it has a nice braided USB cable, because it is a USB condenser microphone, which is really nice. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in right here just to show you guys that. You can also plug in your headset so you have the volume coming from the HyperX Quadcast, and you can have a audio feedback, so when you're talking you can hear yourself talk, which is really nice. Alright, so I'm going to go and do a little mic test for you guys. So currently I'm on the third dot on the gain scale on the microphone itself. Right now I'm talking into the bidirectional polar pattern that it does have. So you should be able to hear it here and from the front as well. So I'm going to go ahead for the next portion of the test. I'm going to move it to the cardioid polar pattern, which means that you can only hear me from the front of the microphone. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Switch over. Okay, so for this test, I'm going to go ahead and bring the gain all the way down. I'm sitting about 6 inches away from the mic. So this is at the first dot on the gain control, which I usually use for like gaming and stuff, so I'm not too loud. This is the third dot. This is what I typically record at for my videos. This is the last dot, and this right here is the max gain that the microphone has right at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back on the third dot here, and for the next portion of the test I'm going to go ahead and move it to the omnidirectional, so you should be able to hear it in the front, the side, and also in the back, all the way around. So that's this specific polar pattern. The next polar pattern is the stereo. So if you think about it, it goes all the way around until you get to the back. So you shouldn't be able to hear back here, but you should be able to hear all the way around here. So yeah, that was the mic test. Yeah, so overall, I believe that this microphone is the top dog when it comes to streaming microphones and for podcasts. It can pretty much do everything that you want it to do. The sound is great. It has very low reverb. It has just a good amount of bass in the voice, which is really nice. And if you guys have high bass in your voice, you probably love this microphone. So if you want to check it out, the link is down in the description. And also, I just want to let you guys know I release new videos every Monday and every Thursday that you won't want to miss. You guys stay golden. Bye-bye.